Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Grizzo's Cards and another Throwback Thursday. Got a nice little stack of retro packs here. Let's go ahead and get into it, see what we can find today, see if we can't find something to put in our showcase in the back. If you're new here, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Just wrap up our 550 subscriber giveaway. We'll be announcing the winner tomorrow. And we'll be on towards our 600 goal. And also don't forget, check out my Fat Pack Tuesday videos. I am doing a giveaway associated with those all through the month of August. And we start off with the Jose De Leon. This is 1988 Topps Big Series 3. Ozzie Smith, Guillermo Hernandez, Pete O'Brien, Mark Bailey, Donnie Baseball, and another Mark Bailey. Two Mark Baileys in the same pack. Gotta love Topps Big. Not the first time we've seen that. Alright, let's go ahead, and next up we have the 192, not Panini yet at this point, NBA Hoops and McDonald's pack. The last time we did one of these, we got a Jordan out here. Starting off, we have Isaiah Thomas, Chris Mullin, Hakeem the Dream Olajuwon, and a John Stockton USA Basketball. Next up, we have 1988 Sportflics. All right, we got TriStars. We got Benito Santiago, Steve Bedrosian, and Don Mattingly. Very cool. Kelly Downs. Got a couple trivia cards here. And last one is Daryl Evans. Go ahead and do a trivia card here. What active player set the record for assists by a first baseman 3 times? Steve Garvey, Keith Hernandez, Bill Buckner, or Don Mattingly? This is from 1988. Got your answer? It is Bill Buckner, who had 184 assists in 85, breaking his old mark of 161 set in 83, which in turn broke his record of 159 in 82. Right. White Sox card there. Little Grizzo stopping by. How you doing?
Good.
Good. About to crack into this 94 Pinnacle Football, fresh out of the freezer. See if we can't prevent some of that bricking. Alright, let's see who we got. We're starting off, we got Andre Reed. Sean Johnson rookie. Neil O'Donnell. Oh, there's a nice Jerry Rice. Chris Dolman. Carl Mecklenburg. Louis Oliver. Next up, we have a Jim McMahon on the Vikings. Good old visor days. Robert Brooks. Clyde Simmons. Oh, there we go. There's a Brett Favre. Anthony Smith. Vincent Brisby and Jackie Harris. Not a bad pack at all. Alright, we got 3 packs left to go. We're going to do this 93 Donruss Series 2. On the hunt for those Diamond Kings inserts or maybe an Elite Series. Usually the Diamond Kings are on the back, so I think we're going to be out of luck this time. But we got Skeeter Barnes, Dave Burba, Tom Foley, Willie Banks, there's a Tom Glavine, Junior Noboa, a rated rookie of Hector Fajardo, Chris Donalds, Joe Slusarski, Mark Leiter, Omar Vizquel, Chris Bosio, Wally Backman, Terry Leach, and Curtis Wilkerson. So not too much besides the Glavine in that pack. Next, we've got our 87 Topps Cello pack. Did pull a Barry Larkin rookie out of a single pack that I did in yesterday's long ball box. Oh, here we go. You know, look at the cover. Notice we have Roger Clemens there. Phil Swift, Daryl Motley, Rob Murphy, Dave Smith, Tom Seaver, Gerald Perry, Sean Dunston, Ken Oberkfell, Mike Fitzgerald, Dan Plezak, Bob Kearney, Bob James, Mariners leaders. There's nice. There was a Chris Brown, stuck to that one. The gum really got him pretty good. Tony Armas, nice checklist. Ken Howell, future stars of Tim Poznarski, Bill Dolly. There's a Fernando. Orioles leaders, Frank Tanana. Oh, there it is. Barry Larkin, rookie again. 2 days in a row. Take that. I kind of had a feeling because on the back I saw Bobby Witt, and Bobby Witt was in that pack that opened yesterday. Rick Leach, I think he was. Dave Parker pulled this one yesterday as well. Manny Lee and Bobby Witt. All right. Well, if you're a Reds fan like myself, you can. Barry Larkin's your all-time PC. You can never have enough of those rookie cards, right? All right, let's go ahead and finish off with the 94 squared jumbo pack. These ones, oh, we got some serious bricking going on here. Let's see what we can do here. We got Dean Palmer, Larry Cassian, Kelly Downs, Bill Wegman, Tino Martinez, Pat Borders, Jose Canseco, Derek Parks, Vince Horseman, Eric Plantenberg. Our next one's going to be insert. Let's go ahead and see if we can't flip out of that. Oh, nice. It is a... Didn't see who it was, but it is one of the provisions, like the Piazza back there. So we got Mel Rojas, Mike Maddox, there's a Tim Hauser. Oh, you can just hear these sticking to each other. Francisco Cabrera, Darren Fletcher, Sid Fernandez, Doug Brocail, Daryl Whitmore, Don Slott, Jose Bautista, the pitcher, and we're going to finish off with our provisions. Looks like it's a Wizard. Is it Ozzie Smith? It is Ozzie Smith. Got his Wizards outfit on there. Let's get that one stuck to the back. Give you a look at that. Very cool insert. Add this to my collection. But overall, not bad. We did get the Barry Larkin rookie. Always good to have. Let me know what you think. Are any of these worthy to go into our showcase at the back? It's fitting. Long-time Silver Slugger, All-Star rivals, Golden Glove rivals, more than Silver Slugger, I guess. Larkin and Ozzie Smith. Let me know what your favorite cards were. Appreciate you watching, and we will see you next time. Have a good one.